Welcome back to our Nearpod tutorial series. In our last video, we took a quick tour of what Nearpod can do. Today, we're diving into one of the most important parts, creating and customizing your own interactive lessons. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to build engaging, interactive lessons for your students. Let's get started. First, log into Nearpod and head to your dashboard. To create a new lesson, look for the Create button at the top of the screen and select Lesson. You'll be taken to a blank canvas where we can start building our interactive lesson. If you already have lesson slides, Nearpod makes it easy to import them. Just click Add Slide and select Upload Files. You can bring in PowerPoint files, PDFs, or Google Slides. Nearpod will convert these into individual slides you can modify right here in the editor. Now, let's make things interactive. Nearpod offers a variety of interactive elements that you can add to engage your students. Let's go over a few of the most popular options. Quizzes. To add a quiz, click Add Slide, choose Activities, and select Quiz. You can type your questions and add answer options. Quizzes can be graded automatically, so it's a great way to check for understanding on the spot. Polls. Polls are perfect for gathering student opinions or quickly gauging understanding. Go to Activities and select Poll. Type in your question, provide answer choices, and Nearpod will display real-time results to both you and your students. Open-ended questions. Open-ended questions let students share thoughts and ideas in their own words. Click Add Slide, go to Activities, and select Open-ended Question. Type in your prompt, and your students can respond with text, giving you deeper insights into their understanding. Nearpod also allows you to embed multimedia content directly into your lessons, which can make them more dynamic. Adding videos. Click Add Slide, then choose Content, and select Video. You can upload your own videos, or search Nearpod's video library, which has content from popular educational sources like YouTube and Khan Academy. Adding web links. If you want to direct students to a website, choose Web Content under the Content menu. Paste the URL and save it. When students reach this slide, they'll be able to access the website without leaving Nearpod. Once you've added all your slides and interactive elements, you can rearrange them by clicking and dragging to reorder the slides on the sidebar. When you're happy with your lesson, click Save and Exit. Nearpod will take you back to your dashboard, where your new lesson will appear. Before sharing it with students, I recommend clicking Preview to see exactly what they'll experience during the lesson. And that's it. You now have the basics of creating and customizing an interactive lesson in Nearpod. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.